Tulaba amanya gange bapita Brian wako ndine Mama Jona. Lero mawulire malungi merere. Mama Jona ya congratulatinga. Simanyi lwacho mpisenzi jo wano ku Victoria. Ndozo genda kunyinyola bidi about that.
I'm an ambassador of Victoria University. Our university is very international and our tuition fee is affordable to any type of
Ogamba tuition fee obelanga gamba ntojina mu mukono.
Very affordable. Until like I'm an ambassador, I'm an marketer of the university. So I want my voice to reach abana campus and abadde fees, want to fees, one to bayambako, no soma no omulimu n'okolerawo.
Wano ku Victoria University bakuwadde basically mulimu kigo gendo koya Victoria University nga.
Ate bagamba uli ani ambassador okola mulimu.
Ate ambassador is bampiti wizo kwa
influencer. I'm an influencer.
Ndio no wajifunyota Mama Jona. Ndabe bipapula you know?
I'm a celebrity.
Okay. Eno your contract jam signing.
By the way, wani amanya na ngamba siri celeb.
Wakwisa Mama Jona. Nae, congratulations.
You're welcome.
Victoria University Bad Black the brand ambassador.
Atenga nebirala bichaja. I have a lot of endorsements. Nina endorsements nyingi nyonyo.
Okay.
Right now era ndi nze ambassador wa tourist mind Kamaloji somo luzungu.
Kumanyi Mama Jona nkumanyi.
By the way, mbadde nera bitokugamba. By the way, ndi ambassador of a company eri Dubai.
Okay.
Mfuna endorsement ennaku zino sikyabba mukama yeebazibwe yanzije mu byayi.
Gobadde okwana Tata Jona. Waguvuddemu.
Bagiyita Mount Mind Tourist era ndi ambassador kankulage kafaananyi tugamba nti mbesibyeko